Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A90 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So actually all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up gently and hold it somewhere here. Swipe it from the very bottom. Of course it will work if you've got the gestures. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, just tap on the icon, which will be probably the square icon or 3 bars icon. So let me enter the recents, and as you can see right here we've got the full list of all previously opened apps. So if you want to, you can close only one of it, just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you want to close all of them, just tap on clear all. As you can see, we just got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So actually this is it. This is how to turn off running apps in your Blackview A90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.